Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to screen record Snapchat without them knowing. So let's say you want to screen record a Snapchat, or maybe like a snap that someone sent you, right? Or maybe like a story, right? What you can do is you can screen record with this screen recorder right here. Now if you go here to Google Play Store, right here you can see that we have AZ screen recorder. This is what I'm using currently to record this video, and as you can see, this is how you can record it. So you just press record and then it will record, and then you will be able to basically record your gameplay videos, anything, and it's high quality video and clear sound as well, which is awesome. And it's free, it's completely free. So if I go down here, as you can see, I already have here, as you can see, I'm currently recording with that screen recorder. So you can go here to Snapchat, and then, whenever you want to go to chat, if you want to screen record Snapchat, you can do that just like I'm doing right here. So that's pretty much how to do it. It's really simple, really easy, and yeah, it's totally free, which is awesome. So if you have any questions regarding this or comments, comment down below and I'll get back to you and help you out. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.